Every business day begins with hope. A fresh coffee, a tidy to-do list, and a roller shutter that, in theory, opens. I press the button. It rises a few inches, makes a noise like it's reconsidering its life choices, and stops. It's thinking. It isn't thinking. And naturally, this is the exact moment a delivery van arrives. Because roller shutters have impeccable comedic timing. I try the button again. Nothing. I try the switch. I stare at it in that very British way that suggests I'm fixing it with disappointment. Still nothing. This is the point where some people attempt DIY. A brave choice. Like performing dentistry with a spoon. I decide I'm not touching it. I've seen how this ends. So I do the sensible thing. I call for emergency roller shutter repair. Because when your shutter is stuck half open, security becomes a suggestion. When it's stuck closed, access becomes a fantasy. Either way, your day stops moving. At HVP Security Shutters, we deal with this sort of thing all the time. Shutters stuck open or closed, motor faults, power and control issues, impact damage, shutters that have jumped the guides and are now pretending they've never met you. The goal in an emergency is simple. Make it safe, make it secure, and get you operational again as quickly as practical. And if it needs parts, you get a straight answer and a clear plan, not a mystery tour. We're established UK specialists, compliance-led, and we turn up with the right tools and the calm attitude your roller shutter clearly doesn't have. So if your roller shutter has decided to take the day off, don't negotiate with it. Call HVP Security Shutters for 24/7 emergency roller shutter repair. HVP Security Shutters.